Our roots come originally from the semiconductor industry, and semiconductor is, for the most part, all automated. So we leveraged our semiconductor know-how into manufacturing connectors and interconnect devices.
The value for automation with our customers, especially in the medical device field, is the repeatability and the quality that's associated with that. So if you can make something 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times that's exactly the same, that's really key for our medical suppliers and not only for our medical customers, but also in agriculture as well. The automation allows us to do that because we'll have a process that can be pretty much streamlined down to the fact that the first piece you make is going to be exactly like the millionth piece you make. So,
using a stitching method, which one of our competitors uses, they're able to load 10,000 contacts an hour. And we could load that same contact, we could do 10,000 contacts in about 5 minutes. That allows us to be cost competitive with China and India. We actually ship production from California to China and India. And how we're able to do that is with automation.